Every successful trading journey depends on reliable tools, informed decisions, and consistent support. Goldprideholdings is designed to help traders build that foundation. According to many Goldprideholdings reviews, the platform combines instant execution, advanced analytics, flexible account options, and educational resources into one modern trading environment. One of the strongest themes mentioned in Goldprideholdings reviews is growth. The platform encourages users to unlock potential through personalized support and tools crafted around individual objectives. Goldprideholdings also highlights more than 1 million completed trades, showing an active and performance-focused trading ecosystem. Another important advantage is flexibility. Traders can choose from over 30 deposit methods and explore more than 2,500 markets, helping them develop strategies across different opportunities. Many Goldprideholdings reviews also focus on educational value. Tutorials, step-by-step instructions, and expert insights help users improve market understanding and strengthen confidence over time. The platform's adaptive interface is designed to support different workflows and make trading more efficient and intuitive. Goldprideholdings also emphasizes professionalism and transparency. The company states that long-term relationships and trust are important foundations for its services. For traders researching Goldprideholdings reviews, the platform presents a positive image focused on innovation, smart execution, market flexibility, educational growth, and user success.